Hello, welcome to Corbella at Juanita Bay. My name is Angelina and I'm going to be showing you A204 today. This apartment is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. It is 600 square feet. You walk into here and you have the kitchen. We have all the appliances that you will need. You have a microwave, stovetop, oven, fridge. There's a garbage disposal, a dishwasher. There's also a lot of room and storage space in these drawers here. As we walk into the living room, we are facing south, so you're going to get a lot of sunlight in this home. And then outside on this balcony, you also have extra storage. And here's the view. This home is on the second floor, but it's on a hill, so it's a first level entry. This door here is where the washer and dryer is. And then here is the bathroom. And here is the bedroom. And that is the home. If you're interested in this home, you can apply online. We're happy to help if you contact the office. Thank you.